How to access APN settings on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Mobile Service as shown. You will be able to view all of these options over here. From here, you can find out how much data you're using, set data restrictions, and manage network provider settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling. Scroll down to the Mobile Network section and tap on Mobile Data Network. You can now view all the APN settings over here in the Mobile Data, MMS, and Personal Hotspot sections. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily access APN settings on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.